we say goodbye? To Graham, bad luck Graham, sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem. You did well, he did well.
He certainly did. Anyway, good for you. You're going to great night with Richie. Well, at least you only sent text this time. And pictures. Right, thank you. On the roads, Kemble, starting north.
Whoa, fucking hell.
Southbound. Doing traffic at 4 for Westfield, and that's because of an earlier accident.
Please take the third exit. Oh. Fucking hell.
Huge live music Thursday for you tomorrow evening.
Now turn
You'll
off to
hear
the left.
live tracks at last from the incredible set the Stereophonics performed at our Absolute Radio Live gig from 7 p.m. and you can hear my chat with Kelly Jones on The Breakfast Show.
I think where the UK might end up going is they have talked before about doing a sort of equivalent, if they did an equivalence deal, actually something which doesn't just turn off after 30 days. The thing about an equivalence decision is that it's for the EU to make alone, it's a unilateral decision, and the big risk is that for good reasons or for bad reasons, something going wrong somewhere else.
This movement is global. And it is, unfortunately...
Which movement? Because you want to
the extreme transgender rights.
What is extreme transgender rights that trans people deserve rights?
No, they have rights in law, and we support
Something called the Goldfish Club. This is a very, very, very elite organisation, only 400 members, founded during the Second World War, and it's made up entirely of people who have survived air crashes at sea, which is, I know, a very unique and particular thing, but some of the tales, and we're going to hear one on the show, some of the tales
this is like what, from the Navy?
It could be Navy, it could be airplanes, it could be helicopters, it could be hot air balloons, it could be paragliding, and every...
25. But when I was at school, this is going back a while, I know a friend of mine there was embarrassed when her mother came to meet her at the Spec school gates, because her mother, they thought, was her grandmother.
Right.
You were all gone. Your 2 juicy patties, crisp lettuce, onions, cheese, and Big Mac sauce.
Security checks, because that's just not conducive for anyone. You know, people want to nip in, pray, do whatever it is that they need to do, and then leave. It's also a place that has children, young people, elderly people, people of all ages. So it's just not.
Do they get you to stand outside sometimes?
I was going to say, I actually, in the summertime especially, they get you to stand outside, and because obviously, with the
you know, the amount of customers that are coming through the drive-through on a daily basis. It gets very, very busy and very congested. And I had an instance.
Adopted.
So it's part of the Equality Act, and because the Equality Act was brought to Parliament by Labour, but obviously we had an election and a coalition government got in, so part of the Equality Act that they didn't enact or bring into law.
Double rollover tonight. I've even set some confetti off to celebrate. Our customers can't get enough of it. So come on, don't miss it.
Lotto from the National Lottery. Your numbers make amazing happen. Rules and procedures apply. Players must be
She was amazing. I think might have been Andy Kay, who had heard from Thailand. He spoke to quite a few already. 20 Ks left to go before Friday. It is our Everest. It is our Everest, isn't it? Let's talk. But we will never be phoning today part of the show. Abby was panicking because I got 3 questions correct yesterday. So I'm down for today. Excellent, well done. I think I don't like to give away things, but generally speaking, well, let's just put it this way. If a contestant can't answer...
My Spin is a little game after I've pruned the garden.
Garden Spins is the riveting online world of challenges and unmissable rewards where you can play great games and slingo rainbow riches, however it suits you.
After 350 yards, leave the roundabout at the first exit onto the N5 towards us. Now turn off the third exit to the left.
Excellent. Great stuff. Where are you from originally?
Just outside Glasgow, Bristol, Gabby.
Oh, Milton Gabby. Yeah. I know it well. Lovely. Okay. David, let's...
What the fucking hell?
It was a direct result of overwork. It doesn't work for us, it doesn't work for our well-being, our mental health, and it certainly doesn't work for our economy. If we look at other economies across Europe, we can see that there's a direct correlation with economies and societies who work fewer hours.